Here we have the lovely and talented Lupita Nyong'o. Lupita is another favorite actress of mine who exploded onto the Hollywood scene a few years ago. I distinctly remember watching her for the very first time in the movie 12 Years a Slave. Brilliant movie, and I believe she won Best Supporting Actress for her role in that movie. She's also come, I think, in a Star Wars edition and also in the Black Panther as well, alongside Angela Bassett, who I just uploaded her color analysis on as well. If you haven't watched that particular deep autumn color analysis that can flow into the deep winter color palette, do go and check that out. And I'll also link to that within the description of this video. So Lupita is such a fun client to style for. If you happen to be her stylist, I wish I were in your shoes, because her style personality is very eclectic, it's very artistic, it's bold, it's refreshing, and very modern. Lupita likes to push the envelope with her style personality. She's not a actress who you can pin down and say for sure she is this style personality. That's what you are going to get every red carpet season when you see her make an appearance on an award show. You just never know what surprising element she is going to add into her style personality. And that's why I love Lupita so much, not only as an actress, but just as a unique, independent woman who just knows how to turn up the temperature on her personal branding and to really showcase her uniqueness as being who she is, Lupita. So I absolutely love the deep autumn colors on Lupita. She is, in fact, a deep winter woman of style. And again, if you haven't seen that particular color analysis that I did for deep winter women who fall into the deep winter color season and color palette, I'll also link to that within this video and in the description as well. So as I was just saying, she is in fact a deep winter woman of style who can wear a range of the deep, vivid, jeweled, regal colors from the deep winter color palette, but she can also wear an extended array of beautiful, deep autumn colors as well from the deep autumn color palette. So she is both a blend of deep winter and deep autumn. She can wear them both equally. However, her dominant signature color palette is that of a deep winter woman of style. So in the first photo, Lupita looks so beautiful wearing deep autumn's burgundy. I love how sultry and mysterious she looks in deep autumn's burgundy. Her teeth, her skin complexion, everything just works in harmony with this beautiful version of deep autumn's burgundy. Next to this photo, we have Lupita wearing deep autumn's fire engine red. She looks so alive and healthy and vibrant and very confident wearing deep autumn's fire engine red. This is a really good version of fire engine red for Lupita. Next to this photo, we have the beautiful Lupita wearing deep autumn's pumpkin orange. I absolutely love this color of pumpkin orange on Lupita. Even though she's a deep winter woman of style, she wears deep pumpkin orange quite beautifully. I personally, being a deep winter woman of style, I do not gravitate to oranges in general. I don't like it, even though I do flow into the deep autumn color palette. Orange colors just do not resonate with me for whatever reason. I know it's there. I know I could choose from it if I really wanted to wear it as a additional flow color for my existing signature color palette of being a deep winter woman of style. But Lupita looks so beautiful in this version of pumpkin orange. It's almost like a satin material of pumpkin orange. It's in the form of soft pleating within the gown. So I think that this works so beautifully. It's almost like an ombre of pumpkin orange, deep burnt pumpkin orange, and like lighter versions of orange mixed in between this specific dress. And she nailed this look right out the park. But whoever her stylist is does a phenomenal job with getting her out of the box of usual colors that you would see a deep winter woman of color wear. But she looks exceptionally beautiful in orange. So if you are a deep winter woman of style who's always wanted to experiment with the color of orange, do try out pumpkin oranges, burnt pumpkin oranges, deeper coppery colors of orange. I think that you can definitely get away with it. So the next example is that of Lupita wearing Deep Autumn's coppery brass. I don't even know if that's the correct name for the color. It's a mix between copper, brass, and gold. And the photo does not do justice when it translates on the screen. But when I was looking up photos of Lupita wearing gold, this is one of the more popular photos that came up, and she nailed this look. I absolutely love this look on her. It looks so regal and luxurious against her dark winter coloring, and she just looks confident, and it's like, here I am, accept me for who I am. And this color does that quite beautifully for Lupita. The next photo is that of Deep Autumn Forest Green, which looks beautiful on Lupita. She looks effortless. It's a very flirty, feminine kind of material evening gown that she's wearing, and the green just works beautifully against her deep, cool coloring. And I like that they didn't go too dark with her lipstick. They kept her lipstick a warm colored red. It works really well on her, and I love the antique drop earrings that she's wearing also. Very nice touch. Okay, so towards the bottom, Lupita looks polished. She looks elegant, wearing Deep Autumn's creamy taupe. This color of taupe looks so elegant on Lupita, and I love the cutout against the shoulder, the one shoulder that's exposed, and it just looks really, really amazing on her. She has a fabulous body. Her body is quite athletic, and she does not shy away from showing her best assets, which is every part of her body, I think. And she just glows in creamy taupe. Next to that picture, we have Lupita wearing Deep Autumn's Dandelion Yellow, and this version of yellow is a beautiful version from the autumn color season and color palette. When you are choosing to wear yellow, just make sure that you are wearing the appropriate color of yellow, especially if you happen to be a deep winter woman of style. You have to make sure that you're wearing a yellow that is neither too clear or too warm, and you want to make sure that it has enough depth to balance out your high contrast between your hair, your eyes, and your cool skin coloring. If you haven't watched the foundational videos that I've done on the winter color season and the subcategories of the cool, the clear, and the deep winter woman of style, I highly suggest that you go back and watch those. It'll give you a more in-depth context in terms of what to look for if you are choosing to do your own color analysis. Next to that photo, the last one, all the way to the far right, is Lupita wearing Deep Autumn's Plum Purple, and this outfit is so gorgeous. I couldn't stop looking up this outfit. It is a full gown with oversized bell sleeves, and she just looks so pretty and elegant, but edgy at the same time. I love that she didn't go for too much dramatic makeup. She just has a pop of red on her lips. However, I'm not too crazy about the pearl necklace. I think I would have gone for a unique antique gold or brass necklace for this specific color. I think it would have added that extra elevated hint of polish and elegance to this outfit. Nonetheless, she carries it off very beautifully. And deep autumn plum purple looks beautiful on the lovely Lupita Nyong'o. So I just want to take a moment to draw your attention to Lupita's photo with no makeup. This is a really good photo to get a really good observation of her natural coloring before she went through the Hollywood makeover machine, as I like to say. She is definitely a winter color season. Her skin appears to be very cool in appearance. She has beautiful dark depth to between her eyes, her hair, and her natural coloring. And her teeth are perfectly white. They're perfectly straight. And again, one of the key factors that you should be looking for when you are doing your own self-color analysis, and if you think that you may be a deep winter woman of style, is your eyes are going to tell you parts of the main story of your color assessment. So when you look at Lupita's eyes, they are very deep, they are dark, and they pop. When you are wearing the right colors, you will know to an extent that you are in the right color season because your eyes just come to life. And when I'm looking at this photo of Lupita, I automatically know that she is either going to be a deep winter woman of style or a clear winter woman of style because her eyes are so pristine, they're intense, and they look like little onyx marbles. So I would then narrow it down to, okay, the clear winter colors may be a little too potent for her deep dark coloring. So the next one over would be that of the deep winter, which she works beautifully into her signature dominant color palette. But for the example of this video, because this is a flow color video, she can easily flow into the deep autumn color season because of the depth. Again, the key to choosing extended colors from a neighboring sister season is to make sure, for example, if you are a deep winter woman of style, that you are choosing the deepest, richest, textured colors from the deep autumn color palette. So there you have it, Lupita Nyong'o's flow color analysis. Up next, we are going to be getting into the warm autumn woman of style who can flow into the warm spring woman of style. And I think I still have two subcategories within the spring color season to complete for that particular flow color palette. So we are almost done. I think we have about 3 more videos within this color branding series, and that will complete the color branding series that I have offered to you lovely ladies absolutely free. And the next series that I will be starting up in the next week or so will be a in-depth style personality series. So once you have your color branding, your color analysis sorted out, figured out, you know exactly what color season you are, the next thing to do is to now take that color and translate it into your style personality. And that's what that particular series is going to be all about. I'll see you in the next video.